Have you ever wondered about the golden spice that adds color and flavor to your curry? We're talking about turmeric, the vibrant, earthy spice that's been a culinary staple for thousands of years. Its unique hue and distinct taste are instantly recognizable, but turmeric's appeal goes beyond the kitchen. This golden spice has also been revered for its medicinal properties, offering potential benefits that have been harnessed through the ages. Now let's delve into the rich history of turmeric. Our journey begins in Southeast Asia, where turmeric was first cultivated. This golden spice, known for its vibrant color and distinctive flavor, found its roots in the fertile soils of Southeast Asia as far back as 3000 BC. Revered for its potent properties, turmeric was not merely a culinary ingredient. It held a sacred place in religious ceremonies and was an integral part of Ayurvedic medicine in India, a system of holistic healing that's been in existence for over 5,000 years. As the centuries rolled on, the allure of turmeric began to spread. By 700 AD, it had reached the shores of China. Within a century, the spice had journeyed further, making its way to East Africa, and by 1200 AD, West Africa had also fallen under its spell. The journey of turmeric didn't stop there though. It found its way to Europe. During the Middle Ages, turmeric traveled along the spice routes to Europe. This golden spice, once a staple in Southeast Asian cultures, began to make its mark on the medieval world. Turmeric's vibrant hue made it a sought-after dye, and its distinctive flavor added depth to many a European dish. However, it was in the realm of medicine where turmeric truly shone. Medieval physicians recognized the root's potential, incorporating it into various remedies and treatments. As centuries passed, the allure of turmeric only grew. The 20th century heralded the scientific exploration of this golden spice. It was during this period that the active compound of turmeric, curcumin, was discovered. This breakthrough sparked a worldwide interest in the potential health benefits of turmeric. From aiding digestion to reducing inflammation, the list of turmeric's medicinal properties seemed endless. This fascination with turmeric has only intensified in the 21st century. Today, turmeric is more than just a spice or a medicinal root. It has transcended these labels to become a global phenomenon. It is a key ingredient in health supplements and a star in the ever-popular turmeric latte. It's even found its way into skincare products and pet foods. From a humble root in Southeast Asia to a globally recognized superfood, the journey of turmeric is truly remarkable. So, what have we learned about the history of turmeric? This golden spice, originated in Southeast Asia, has traversed continents and centuries. It's been a culinary staple, a medicinal marvel, a religious symbol, and even a cosmetic ingredient. From the ancient kitchens of Asia to the modern wellness trends of the West, turmeric has painted the world yellow with its versatility. Its popularity today, both as a spice and a health supplement, is a testament to its enduring value. Turmeric has indeed come a long way, and its golden journey continues.